Yeah.
Okay.
Kicap lemak manis dan kicap manis jali 650 ml RM6.49. Sosis ayam salai Convest 340 gram RM2.99. Sekian, terima kasih.
Which one fit mine? Have a look. This is it good? No. Feel and see.
Touch it.
Tak boleh.
Your iPhone 6 or what?
You got it? You got
Oh,
iPhone there?
my iPhone 10 anyway.
iPhone 10 ah?
Yeah. iPhone 10X.
iPhone 11.
X 10X.
More.
iPhone 10XX.
You got iPhone 10 ah?
Well, you can too look at the camera, see whether it's the same or not. The back. This one, is it one round only?
Two holes.
Two holes, that means it's not the same. I think. Who knows? I don't know.
Không phải iPhone này. Yêu con rồi mà. Setting à? Where do you see?
No, back. Go up, go down. I want to see down. General. About. I don't know. iPhone SE Special Edition.
Nhiều không?
Special Edition.
I know this one will fit I suppose.
Open it up and see.
Open up.
Go ahead.
Why? Open go.
Special Edition iPhone 10. Cannot. iPhone XR. Maybe it's this one. iPhone 10 SE. More. XE more. Put your phone over it and see whether it's the same or not.
Try going.
Oh, too small. Cannot. More. look at those. Those are nam.
Yeah.
It's too big. Yours is too small. Cannot. Cannot. All big. The one tarak.
iPhone 6 oh. Or 7 oh.
6 are there.
Won't fit. Camera. Sorry. See?
Too small. Your phone is too small. All these are big ones. Cannot. No, there's none. Special edition is too small. Special edition. Ayah, Ipoh. Cannot. More, right?
Don't buy it.
Too small. That one's too small. Order direct from Shopee or something. Yeah. I'm leaving.
Huh?
I'm just going to Gerryko school.